If Lightroom is giving you error code 1, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix it step by step. This error is often caused by a permission issue, corrupted preferences, or even a conflict during installation. The good news is that most users can solve it without advanced troubleshooting. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes. First, let's try the simplest fix. Run Lightroom as an administrator. Close Lightroom completely, then right-click the Lightroom shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. This gives the app the permissions it may need to start properly. If Lightroom opens normally after that, the issue was likely a permission problem. If you still see error code 1, the next step is to reset Lightroom preferences. On Windows, hold Shift and Alt while opening Lightroom. Keep holding those keys until you see the option to reset preferences. Click Reset Preferences and let Lightroom restart. This can fix corrupted settings that are preventing the app from launching correctly. Now, if the problem is still there, try temporarily disabling your antivirus. Sometimes security software blocks Lightroom or one of its background processes. Turn off your antivirus briefly, then open Lightroom again. If it works, that means the antivirus was interfering. In that case, don't leave it disabled. Instead, add Adobe and Lightroom to your antivirus exceptions so it won't block the program in the future. Another important fix is updating both Creative Cloud and Lightroom. Open Adobe Creative Cloud and check for updates. Install all available updates, especially for Lightroom and the Creative Cloud desktop app. Outdated versions can sometimes create install conflicts or compatibility issues that trigger error code 1. If none of those steps work, the final fix is a clean reinstall of Lightroom. First, uninstall Lightroom completely from your computer. Then reinstall it through Creative Cloud so you get a fresh copy of the app. A clean reinstall can remove damaged files that are causing the error. So to recap, run Lightroom as administrator, reset preferences, temporarily disable antivirus, update Creative Cloud and Lightroom, and if needed, do a clean reinstall. One of these steps usually resolves Lightroom error code 1 quickly. If this tutorial helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.